Here we have a mini split of some kind. It's a Century inverter, or no, it's a Comfort-Aire.
Oh yeah, nice.
Comfort-Aire seems to be popping up quite a bit now.
Yeah, I still have yet to see a central air conditioner. Well, except for those older ones, but...
Yeah. I can't make out much because there's this thing that's covering the data sheet, but I can see it's a heat pump.
Oh yeah.
Pretty interesting unit right here. Over there are the Rheem Customs that we just filmed. And around here we have a XB300.
Oh, that's a really nice logo on it. Wow.
Ooh, that's like pretty much as close as you can get to it being mint condition. Probably, yeah, it's got the Climate Tough reciprocating compressor in it. There's the dash sheet. It's in 2014 and it's a 3.5 ton. I didn't know they made these this long. Microchannel coils. Yep. And got a noisy York Olympian right here. Bristol probably.
Probably Bristol, yeah.
Line isn't the coldest ever, but it's still pretty cold and it is flooding, so. It's from 2005 and it is a 2.5 ton. And then right here we have an old Rude which has 3 blades. Data sheet's gone, or at least the part that where the manufacturing date would be. As expected. Don't know if this is still used or not. Got this Goodman right here that sounds like it's seen better days. It's making a very loud squealing noise of sorts, and that air does not seem to have much of a heat load to it.
The line is barely cold at all. That could be wrong.
2007 2.5 ton. Ooh, that line's got nothing left on it. It is a 2 ton, 2007. We got another Comfort-Aire. Century, missing the Comfort-Aire logo. Okay, this is a Comfort-Aire heat pump from 2022, I think, and it's a 1.5 ton. Got another XB300. Oh, this has 2 swept blades.
Yep.
I've never seen that before. Another very mint condition logo.
And from 2012. I think it's a 1.5 ton.
Yeah, 2012, 1.5 ton.
These are good ones.
This is another new in-box unit. I don't remember exactly what it replaced, but I know it replaced something not too long ago. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor, and it is shaking pretty bad. Oh wow, that line is hardly cold at all. It is a 2005 3 ton. And that line on the Goodman is hardly cold at all. And we got a older Goodman right here. Bristol compressor. Dashy's gone. Alright, so got a pretty interesting variety of central air conditioners at this strip mall. And XB13, it's like kind of crooked.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, yeah,
yep. Alright. This XB300 that's fired up. Line is getting cold.
Yeah, that's actually that is a new compressor, it looks like.
Oh yeah. Bristol benchmark most likely, because it doesn't have the logo on the top. Alright. So